Welcome. This is the microsurvey FieldGenius for Android how-to video on using the COGO line intersection function. From the survey map view screen, select the COGO icon, which is the calculator, and then select line intersection. This will open up the data panel that has the workflow for calculating line intersections. And this is synchronized with the map view. So you can select a starting point either by selecting the point on the map, by selecting it from the list, or typing it into the field. Next, select the azimuth that you want to run the first line intersection from. In this case, I'm going to put in an azimuth, and as you see, as I put the azimuth in, you can see the construction line going from point 6 outward. Next, you can select the next point. In this case, I'm going to select point 7 and just type it in. And then select the azimuth, and I'm just going to run this one straight north. And as you can see, we get an intersection solution here. So when I select done, we will have a solution where the two lines intersect. I can now add that point to the points database. So with the workflow and the construction lines, it's very simple to see the line intersection where that point will be added. So this completes how to construct a point on the intersection of two lines in FieldGenius for Android. Thank you.